Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to auto-update apps in Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to auto-update apps in your Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. After opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here. Tap on the settings, and after tapping on settings, we'll land over here where you can see the second option. There is says network preferences. Tap on the network preferences, and over here you can see it says the three options: app download preferences, and auto update apps, and auto play videos. Will be required to tap on the auto update apps, and let's tap on it. And guys, in order to auto update apps in the Play Store, you can see, guys, either you can update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data using both, or update with limited amount of mobile data, where it says when Wi-Fi isn't available, Google will update a few of your most important apps using a limited portion of your mobile data. Or you can see the update over Wi-Fi only, and by enabling one of these three options, guys, you will be able to auto update apps in the Play Store either through your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. So depending upon from which you want to update your apps, or from which service do you want your apps to be updated in the Play Store, choose that, either the Wi-Fi or mobile data, or the limited amount of mobile data with Wi-Fi, or update over Wi-Fi only. After choosing one of these three options, guys, you will start to auto update apps in Play Store. And with that being said, guys, this is how to auto update apps in Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.